We are back at you today for another episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris pile.
Yeah, that's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. And me and Teddy are stoked because last week the golf cart, the Queen Anne's Revenge, died on us, and we had to take our bikes and bike around. And that was actually a lot of work. Yeah. We went a long way and had to haul a lot of plants behind the bike. So we're stoked because we got the Queen Anne's Revenge back. It's going to strike fear in all the hearts of the homeowners around here, right? As we sail around stealing all their plants. So we got to get going because somebody else is out to get the plants, right? Who is it?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, a.k.a. the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They come along and crush up all of our plants if we don't get to them first. So we're going to get going down the road, and we'll get back with everybody if we get something good. All right, we haven't gotten anything yet, but I have to admit, this is a lot easier than riding bikes. This is way easier. Oh, wait a minute. Is there something right there? What's that? What's that vine? Maybe some pothos?
Pothos?
Yeah, jump out and grab some of that. We got a little bit of pothos vine right there. We will definitely,
Oh, aloe.
Oh, great. It looks like there's some scheffalera in there, too. Is there anything worth keeping? Maybe grab a couple cuttings of scheffalera?
Yeah.
We'll see if any of that pothos vine's worth keeping. So it looks like we rolled up on like a huge bin of maybe desert rose cuttings. Isn't that what that looks like?
Yeah.
Let me see. I don't know. That might be a bush. Let's grab a couple of them though, just in case. We'll save a couple and examine them when we get home. Okay, we got some red sister tea plant here. You want to grab that out and see what it looks like? Oh, and we got some more scheffalera in this can right here. Tea plant is the one we can plant from cuttings real easy. Let's see if Teddy can get it out without making a mess. It's stuck in there.
Oh yeah.
Maybe second ounce. Let's see. You can see how pretty this is though. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, try and help Teddy save some of these from the trash. Alright, we got some bridal bouquet plumeria right here. This is one that gets nice pretty white flowers. We'll definitely save some of this. We'll definitely save some of that from the trash. Alright y'all, here's our competition. But we already got this street, right bud? Yeah. They're not gonna get anything good on this street because we got it all.
Look at the grass.
Okay, we got a bin full of snake plant here that Teddy spotted.
And I see some variegated grass.
Oh, yes, I forgot. I got some of that the other day. It's called lily rope or something. I don't know. Let's grab that.
Rope lily?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, we'll grab that little plant and we'll definitely save some of these.
Look at those roots.
Yeah, awesome. We'll definitely save some of these snake plants from the trash. All right, here's a little pile of ficus, rubber tree. Looks kind of sorry, but we'll see if Teddy can snap one of those. This is one we can plant easily from cutting, so if Teddy can snap one of those off, we can save it from the trash. You need some cutters, kiddo?
Nope.
All right. Sweet. All right, we'll save this one for sure. Okay, we have some nice variegated scheffalera cuttings here. What you got? Oh, that's a pretty cutting right there.
It's two. No, it's just one.
This is an easy one to root from cuttings. Sweet. It looks like there's a whole pile of them down there. So we'll definitely grab a couple of those. So here's this variegated monstera that we pass every week when we do Plant Pirates.
It's taunting us.
I know. We're just hoping that this guy will put out a cutting of this one day. But I doubt he will because he's got a beautiful lawn here, beautiful yard, filled with all sorts of cool tropical plants. So I bet if something snapped out of that, he'd replant it. But man, look how cool it is. Oh man, oh man, oh man. All right, so Teddy thinks we should bring this home. What do you think, kiddo? Oh, look at that. Works perfect.
Oh, it turned on.
It turned on?
Yeah, look.
All right,
Look
nice. All right, we'll I'm gonna keep looking for plants, and I'm gonna leave Teddy here to have fun on the elliptical. Now this is a nice pile of bromeliads. I see several varieties of bromeliads here too. Holy cow, look at all these. What do you think, kiddo? You see anything good over there? More bromeliads?
I see grass.
Oh yeah, no, those are, hold on. Those are, I forgot. Let's go ahead and get some of these bromeliads though. We're definitely going to save some of these bromeliads, and then it looks like there's another variety right there. Oh, there's lots of them. Cool, I'm going to jump out and help Teddy, and we'll save some of these from the trash. All right, so Easter was like 3 or 4 weeks ago, but we're still finding Easter eggs. That's what it's like when you live in paradise.
Yeah.
The Easter egg hunt goes on forever. Right, kiddo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Teddy spotted the world's tiniest fruiting mango tree. Look at that, it's like 2 feet tall, and it has 2 or 3 real nice mangoes on it.
Yeah.
I'm jealous. It's awesome. Okay, we got some nice pothos find here, some nice cuttings of pothos. Yeah, we'll show them the leaves, kiddo.
Yeah.
This is a common house plant, but it gets giant down here in Florida. So we'll definitely save some of that for the trash. Look at this mango tree, just dripping with mangoes. Oh my gosh.
Is that Adelufo?
Yeah, I think they are Adelufo. Oh, they look so good. They're probably only a couple weeks off from being able to harvest these too.
Yeah.
I am jealous. How cool is that? They got hibiscus
Oh, yeah.
flowers popping out of that too. Oh man, I'm jealous. Okay, it looks like we have some irises down here. Oh, and some speckled, or some striped bromeliads. Jump out and grab those, kiddo.
Yeah.
The mosquitoes are real bad. Teddy's flinching from all the mosquitoes. There's some, yeah, look at those irises.
Striped bromeliads. Iris.
Oh yeah, and look at that. They got roots on them too. Excellent. We'll definitely save some of those from the trash. All right, so that was a lot easier than last week.
Yeah.
Hey kiddo, we didn't have to bike the whole way. We got some good stuff. We were able to bring 2 cans with us this week instead of just 1 like last week. So
Yeah, and of course, last week we got a super heavy thing right off the bat.
yeah, I know. No joke. Had we had our golf cart, I would have put that big crinum lily right here, I think, and not in the can, but we just had that 1 can. So, all right, well, let's show everybody what we got. What we got.
Pothos.
All right, here's the first thing, golden pothos.
Look at
Like
that
I
leaf.
said, yeah, like I said, this is a common house plant throughout the country, but usually the leaves don't really even get bigger than this one right here. They usually are only about,
But they even
we
look
have
really,
some over here.
they look
Yeah.
good small. I like the look of them small also. It's cool.
Yeah, so my mother-in-law, Annalise's mom, has this is a house plant up in Georgia, and this is what it looks like.
And that's what you'll see.
Yeah, and they don't really, won't even get much bigger than that, but when you let them go in the wild here down in Florida,
And when
Their
they
leaves
grow up
get
a
even
tree.
bigger.
And I think it's when they root into a tree.
Yeah, I'm
That's
sure
what
that
makes
helps.
Their leaves get giant.
super cool. All right, what else we got? Oh, yes. We got the irises right
A
here.
walking iris, we're
Yeah,
guessing.
we're not
we have-
exactly sure. Yeah, maybe a walking iris. We're not sure what kind of iris this is, to be
Yeah,
honest
we
with
have,
you. But
we have several different varieties
we do,
here.
yeah. But they grow like weeds here, and they have pretty little flowers, and you can see these have roots, which is excellent. If you're new to our Plant Pirates episodes here, almost everything we're going to show you today, you can plant from cuttings, but some stuff you got to have roots, and we got roots on this. This pothos has some little like feeler roots on it, but we'll probably have to bury this in the ground. You know, put dirt over the whole thing to
it
get
in a
that.
pot.
Yeah, to get it to start.
And that's actually not as easy to propagate
Yeah.
right in the ground as some of the
I would have
others.
thought this would have taken off. Would
Me
be way
too,
easier to
'cause it's,
propagate,
you know,
but
it kind of grows wild,
Yeah.
but to get it established does take a little bit of effort.
all right. Red sister tea plant. It wouldn't be Plant Pirates without a tea plant, especially a red sister. So, and you can see these cuttings were probably made because this plant flowered and started shooting off new growth somewhere down lower, and so the homeowner just cut this one off. But you can stick this right in the ground and get it to root from cuttings.
Well, they as they age, they kind of like bend forward, and then
And they shoot up.
and then it's like the bend opens up an
Yeah,
area
yeah,
for like
I'll-
some to kind of.
I'll show everybody what she's talking about here. This one probably needs to be pruned right here. You can
Yes.
see it bent over, but just like what Annalisa just said here, now it's shooting up new growth right here. And what you do is just snip that off. and-
Yeah, we need
And
to really
plant it.
snip this and that,
Yeah.
and then you can stick those right
Yeah.
with the plant to make it bushier or put it somewhere else.
Yep. It's a great one.
Yeah.
Adds a lot of color. You can see it adds just a lot of color in the garden. It's a great.
Looks like, I don't know, like
There's
fuchsia
not that much
flames.
bright
Yeah.
pink stuff.
All right, what else we got, kiddo?
We've got.
What we got? What we got?
Chefalera.
Scheffalera. Again, it wouldn't be Plant Pirates without some Scheffalera. I think we got variegated
Yeah.
and green
We got
Scheffalera.
green. It's
I think it's way down at the bottom.
it's-
That's going to be like
like
the last thing you pull out.
Honestly, it's not my fave.
Scheffalera?
Yeah. I don't know.
And some varieties of Scheffalera really are invasive here. I mean, really invasive. Like, they'll be able to sprout up in the middle of a forest
Oh,
even.
the umbrella tree?
Uh-huh.
It's illegal to sell. Because
Right,
it's
yes,
so
yep.
invasive. They get these long berries, and they're like the coolest, tallest trees, but
And the animals love the berries, too.
Yeah.
We can't deny. Just because the plant's invasive doesn't mean it's not
not.
beneficial to some animals or plants around here.
But I guess the argument is that then the birds go for that, and then they're not spreading the seeds.
Right.
Of
And then the native plants
Yeah.
go downhill. So, all right, where's
I
Teddy
have to
going?
take care of a baby situation.
Oh, Teddy's baby brother is not happy in there. All right, Mommy, keep pulling out
Alright.
stuff. What we got? All right.
Like a ficus rubber
We got a
tree.
ficus, a rubber tree. I think there's 2 cuttings of that in
Nice.
there.
That's an easy one to root.
Super easy one to root. And these things, I've said this before, but a ficus tree down here will grow to be as big as this entire like courtyard area. They get massive. They'll get to be as big as our garage or our little guest house here.
And you can shape it. You can put tunnels through them, and
Yeah.
it's a cool plant.
All right, what else you got?
Interesting stuff this week.
Okay, we got some snake plants.
Snake plant.
Snake plants.
And this grows really nice and thick, and adds like a whole clump when you plant it in a very short amount of time. Because we planted some by our pool that's already filled out in the
Yeah.
whole little area, and then if you don't want it anymore, it's so easy to
Look
pull
at these
out and
orange
grab.
roots.
Yeah, the orange roots are cool.
Look how orange it is.
And one thing I like about it is it just adds a totally different texture to the garden.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, it's I don't know. I really like that plant.
I do too.
We've had some people say, "Oh, they're invasive or they'll take over," but they don't take over that quickly. I mean, you really gotta let your garden go for them to take
And
over.
they're not spiky.
No.
I mean, the tips might be spiky, I guess, but they're not.
And I
You
like
They're
can-
not hard to pull
You can
out.
just exactly. You can just yank them right out of the ground.
and they're
I mean,
stiff. They're real stiff.
all right. What else we got? I think
This
yes. Is that the lily rope? Which one is
Rope
that?
lily,
We
I think.
rope lily. Didn't we
rope?
get that once before? Anyways,
yes.
y'all, I'll have it down here. I'll
I
have
don't
a
know. This might be the flax lily.
flax lily. I think that's what
Yeah,
it is.
we got-
I think
we-
that's what it is. Cool little plant. You can see it just flowered too. It's got some little seed pods on there. That's the only one we got. We just got that to show everybody. It has roots, so we'll be able to save that one.
mother-in-law.
All right, so yeah, if you're a regular to our Plant Pirates episodes, we've gotten this for the last 3 weeks in a row, and I'll be
Four.
honest, we've gotten it from the same pile the last 3
They're
weeks.
getting
It was just
droopier and
never
droopier.
picked up.
Yeah. But we grabbed this just to show everybody. It's such a cool plant.
Yeah, it's
and-
awesome.
Yeah.
Look at his berries.
Yeah, it's cool. All right, what else we got?
Wait. We think this is desert rose, but I don't think so.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think it's.
don't think
I don't
so.
think so either. This is one of the first things we found, and when I zoomed by it, I thought desert rose right away. But there were so many cuttings of this
Yeah.
in the trash.
That's a shrub.
Yeah,
that
that's what
grows
I think.
here.
That's what I
Yeah.
think. There were
I'm trying
so
to think of what it is.
there were so many cuttings of this in the trash that they would have had to have like a million desert
I know
rose
what it is.
plants. What?
I know what it is. It's that like pink or purple flower that's poisonous.
No,
Oleander?
it's not
I don't think it's oleander.
No, because oleander has a juicier stalk than that.
I don't. It's not desert rose though. I thought it was
it's
at
almost
first,
like maybe
but
like an almond or a, I don't know. I don't know what it is.
I don't know either.
But it's a shrub.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's definitely a shrub. They had
Yeah.
so many cuttings in their trash. It was like they were pruning a hedge.
Uh-huh.
Like if you know anything about desert rose, they're pretty little plants, but they usually don't have a trash can full of cuttings off
Two
your
trash
desert.
cans.
Yeah, off your
Yeah.
desert rose. So
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that would take like 50 years.
right.
Schefflera, the non-variegated Schefflera.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So same as the variegated kind, super easy to plant from cuttings. We just grabbed it to show y'all. I'll be honest, we'll probably put the Schefflera right into our landscape debris pile.
Is that a Schefflera or is that an umbrella tree?
Well, they're all in the Schefflera family.
No, I know, but the leaves on that one look bigger.
Yeah, might be.
It's probably just a mower.
I think it's a Schefflera, like the
Like
hedge,
the
the
shrub.
hedge variety, not the tree variety.
Okay. Last but not least in this can a
Yeah, we got
nice striped bromeliad.
striped bromeliad. 2 little striped bromeliads right there. Nice.
We've got that kind already, but
We do, but
I love the little ones because you can put them right in the front on the edge.
yeah, unfortunately, we come across giant ones all the time. Those seem to be the most prolific bromeliads, the giant varieties.
But you found that planting them right up against the cabbage palms.
Yeah. Yeah, it
they
works
do really
nicely.
well, and it's like almost like holds them up.
Yeah.
And gives them like a little bit of structure.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we got these beautiful bromeliads.
First, let's take these out.
What are we gonna do? Yeah, let's do that. So we got the bridal bouquet plumeria. I think we got some of this last week from a different homeowner, but
This is a pretty slow growing
it is.
plant.
We had some planted behind this brick wall here, but the basketball kept going over the brick wall and crushing it.
But
so.
they crushed
Or
over
I
and
should
now they're
say-
still growing.
Yeah,
In full sun, it might be different, but everywhere we planted, it's been dappled light.
yeah.
So maybe
It
that's-
needs full sun.
Yeah.
The most spectacular ones I've seen are in full
full
sun.
sun.
So
Yeah.
Okay, time to get.
I'm gonna put a fruit tree in full sun.
yeah, not a plumeria. All right, look at that. Nice.
Those are nice.
Oh man, there's like 4 or 5 of them on here.
Oh, whoa, that's
Oh,
a
look at
different
that one.
kind.
That is
at
a
this one.
weird.
That's a different kind.
Yeah, it was just stuck in here.
Oh, it is a different kind.
Yeah. Oh, I don't think we have that kind. I really don't.
I'm not sure. I think
I
we got a
think
couple more of those. Look in that bin. I
Because
think
it's
we
real
got.
round leaves.
We got-
Oh, they are real round leaves.
Wait. Oh.
we
I don't
might.
think we have
we
this
might not
one.
have this variety.
I mean, we have one that's close. I would say the closest one is that one up there. But
Yeah, it's a little
not-
bigger,
it's a
though.
different shape.
Look how
Yeah.
rounded these leaves
Sweet.
are.
That's exciting.
That is
Look.
exciting. Nice.
Yeah, that's different.
There was even more of those. We just only took a couple. So.
Well, we'll get these going and we'll
Yeah.
have more.
Oh yeah,
We'll be
they'll
in the same
shoot
pile
off new
next
pups
week.
for us in a second.
All right, that looks.
Is that everything?
I think so.
Yep.
All right, so I think I'm most stoked about the irises.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
I like
I'm most
the
stoked
irises.
about this.
Oh yeah, or the
Oh,
new
I forgot.
bromeliad.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Because anytime we get something new, I just find it absolutely amazing that we are still finding new stuff.
Yeah, this
and
is.
looking in kind of the same area.
Yeah.
So it's this.
I mean, yeah. Let's be honest, y'all. I don't take this golf cart to other communities. We're just riding around the same
In our area,
5
you
or
know.
6 neighborhoods.
for
and
how
that's
many
it.
episodes?
This is episode number 71.
Yeah.
So-
So we've been doing this for, like, with videos, we've been doing it for 2 years, but
Yeah.
we've always been doing it.
Yep.
But the videos definitely get us.
Out
Yes.
more
To do it
regularly.
They do.
Consistently.
Yes. It
So
makes
it's
it a
motivating.
consistent practice. Yes.
Yeah.
Remember one of the first times we got like the big bromeliads? We were like going insane.
Yeah.
We were like, oh,
Free plants, free plants. It's so exciting.
we were like freaking out.
All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the adventure here. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you here today, just post down below. If you did enjoy our video, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's going to happen, bud?
You're gonna get struck by lightning.
Oh man.
Oh, man.
And you know, Florida, I'm pretty sure Florida, we have one of the highest
No,
rates.
we're the lightning strike capital
Yeah,
of the world.
right. So, I mean, y'all don't want to mess around with that. Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I don't know. Take care.